Oh, yeah. Look over there. It goes through. 11:49 in the morning. 1:43. Oh, okay. We got some work to do. It's a cute little thing. Hope they're not telling me it's a dead end. Because it looks like it is, but it also looks like it's not. They have something here. Okay, they're making something here. It's enough for me. Wait, is this that yard? something in there. Alright. Piece of wood. Oh, it's nice and sunny. Wow, it looks so different. Let's see. Oh wow, that's scary. I don't see no snakes. Some spider webs. Bird feather. Oh, I wonder what's down there. Alright, let's see. How am I gonna do this safely? Alright, let's take a break and think of a plan. Okay. I don't think it's gonna be dangerous. I just want to know what's on the other side of this. Yeah, we're doing it. We're going. Yeah. Okay. We're going down because I want to see what's in that dark area. I just to take my time and hope that none of these rocks are too shaky or that there's no snakes. Okay. And I hope it's gonna be easy getting back up. Or we'll see what happens when we get down there. We don't know. Okay, this doesn't seem too wobbly. That feels pretty safe. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah! Look over there. It goes through. We don't have to even worry about going back up because we're gonna find a way out. Wow. This is that one living area that they're doing construction on. Wow, people be in here doing crimes. Uh-oh, there's bad words. Don't look over there. Wow. Okay, let's see what the other side has. This one has water in it. Okay, let's go. Wow, there's some really bad stuff in here, y'all. There's a snail. That's cool. It's really cool. Wow, I guess people just come here to say all the curse words they want to say. Must be kids. Okay. Wow. Look at this water that's here. That's pretty neat. And then we come up here and see what happens up here. Okay. Okay, and that's where I was. I was over here, just behind that metal fence. This is where I entered. There's that strange looking green algae water. And there's another way to walk that way. I guess I could walk on this concrete here to take me back over there and keep walking that way. Let's do that. That would have been a lot easier than going down, but I didn't know about it. Look, boom. I'm already back on the side that I started on without having to go through the rocks. That's what's up. I love that. Okay. I'm gonna walk along this fence line here because that's on the side of the road that I was walking last. And I see some birds, so we'll see what kind of birds those are when we get closer. Do y'all know what kind of bird this is? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, they hear me. Oh wow, look at that one. That one's a big one. Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you, big boy. Okay. What kind of tree is this? That tree? I don't know. Maybe. This one. 12:32 in the afternoon. 5640. Okay. It's not bad. Oh, what is that? Is that an egg? Is that an egg? No, it's not. It's too squishy. 1325. 17. Whatever that says. I'm almost to the end. You see? 9284. I still have about 5 minutes before I make it back to my starting point. Okay. I've made it back to the beginning. Was it easy? It wasn't particularly easy, but I'm glad that I did it because I'm gonna feel really good when I get home and I decide to be lazy the rest of the day. Let's see what we're ending with. 1847, I made it back just over 10,000 steps, and baby, I feel it.